Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. I'm in one of the most incredible places. I realized my channel is like a crypto investing travel channel. This place is like, wow. You can only get here by walking or by boat. And it's like a hidden gem in Greece. Look at this. It smells amazing as well. All those restaurants down there cooking like meat and stuff. But look at the water. You see this water? I went swimming in it before. It's like crystal. And when you go over there, it's like pure blue, like the water's glowing under the ocean. And you can look how clear it is. It's like crystal clear water. Incredible. And all these restaurants, Greek food, and you can only get here by like walking across the mountain or by boat. Amazing place. We're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin. I've been sitting in the Magicraft Telegram just talking to players of Magicraft, MCRT. You can get it on Bybit. Right now, $1,000 gets you around 500,000 MCRT. You need 100,000 MCRT to play the game or one NFT. I'm going to show you that as well. The Telegram, I've never seen it so active. I've never seen so many games. There's every half an hour, there's the free the free games that anyone can play, free to play to earn games. And then every hour you have the VIP lobby where you can win larger MCRT prizes. For that, you need to have 100,000 MCRT or one Genesis NFT. All of these systems are working on the on Binance Smart Chain, BSC. It's on the blockchain. All the games are paid out. The rewards are paid out through the blockchain. And the game is now on PC, Android, and iOS live. And we have another big announcement coming soon as well. I can't wait to show you. Hit the subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. My stop loss hit on that Bitcoin short earlier today, unfortunately. But on the weekly time frame, we still have this big inverse head and shoulders, which is very bullish. Bitcoin is pulling back at the moment, and where it should stop is the 25,000, and it needs to stop at 25,000 to continue this Elliott wave count. 1, 2, 3. You're looking at the price of Bitcoin moving over time. Why? Because this is how Elliott wave moves. One impulse, second correction, third biggest impulse, fourth correction, fifth and final wave. The only thing is the third impulse wave can't ever go below the first impulse wave. So if this comes below 25k, it will invalidate that impulse wave. It will invalidate this Elliott wave pattern. On the daily, wait, I got to switch to 4G. Let's go back in. Okay, let me try and close it and open it again. Oops. Okay, we're back. On the daily, weekly stochastic, very overbought. Daily, it's oversold, turning up. Little volume coming in, but it's holding. But this to me is still the same. Shoulder, head, shoulder, drop. And there's another reason I think Bitcoin will drop. Look at these white lines, these two trend lines. Here you've got two touches on the trend line down here. 1, 2. Here you have multiple touches, like 10 or something on this trend line. And so it's moving between this trend line, this down here, bouncing this trend line, and then coming down here. And what it is, it's a rising, broadening wedge. Rising, broadening wedge, or rising megaphone pattern. This is a rising megaphone pattern. Like this. So it opening up and rising like this. Rising megaphone, right? Because it looks like a megaphone, like if you had sound coming. Rising megaphone pattern. Usually they're actually bearish patterns. These are bearish patterns, a rising megaphone. So normally what will happen is it does this. I got to draw it. So rising megaphone is like this and like this, and the price bounces and breaks down. That's a rising megaphone pattern. So let's see how it plays out. But in my opinion, I do think it's going to break down, unfortunately. It needs to be some strong FUD, because here we have a lot of support at 25k. Let's go closer for short-term trades. Short-term, bigger trades, I would take the bottom of this rising megaphone, this trend, because even though it's a rising megaphone, the trend is your friend until it breaks. So until this trend line breaks, we expect it to bounce and head back up. We don't know when this rising megaphone pattern will break. But on the hourly, it's holding this support area, but I do think it's going to come down most likely to here 23,500 to the bottom of this trend line. But at 25k we have a very strong support. Why? Because when I zoom out here, you can see at 25k on Bitcoin we have this was where we back in July last year, 1 year ago, it came to 25k and then the big crash all the way to 16k. Then it came back up to 25, big crash all the way to 19k. So that 25k was very strong resistances for nearly almost exactly 1 year. So it'd be a very strong support. And that's why I think going long off that support is a good idea for a short-term bounce to resistance. So that's that trade that I'll take from 25k. It's opening at 25,136, stop loss 24,931, and take profit at this resistance at 20 almost 27k. So that would be an 8.5 risk to reward, risking 205 to make 1,700 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it's $17,000 of profits. That's the shorter term. For then what I think is going to happen is we get this short head and shoulder breakdown, bounce, and then come down to here, 23k. So I'll take that short-term long and then this bigger long from this 23k, this trend line with a tight stop in case it breaks down out of the megaphone. This one is a bigger one, risk $643 to make $14,000 without leverage. With 10x leverage, it will be $140,000 of profits. With 100x leverage, it's 1.4 million. That's the trade that I would take on Bitcoin from down there. Let's go closer now for short-term trades on Bitcoin. It hit my stop loss earlier today, and I should have actually, because this week, whenever I have green wick like this, it's a hammer candle, that should have indicated that we got some short-term upwards movement. I shouldn't have shorted there. The reason I shorted is because the stochastic down here, this on the bottom, these lines, see how it's overbought above this white line? It was overbought heading down and the volume dropping off. I still think it's going to drop here down to this blue line, but shorting it is also dangerous because it's the weekend. We had this big hammer candle. It kind of made a V-shaped recovery. Shorting it is not so good. Like, I don't like shorting Bitcoin. I shouldn't have shorted Bitcoin earlier. I do sometimes short, but it's not the best. So I'd wait till Bitcoin pulls back and go long from this point here. Waiting till Bitcoin goes and then bouncing and taking this long here to 27k. Let's go into the hourly. On the hourly, heading down. Stochastic on the 15-minute heading down, but really holding this area for the last like 4 days. It's been holding this 26,000. It's almost a stable coin Bitcoin and slightly heading up. But again, I would be taking this long from 25k. That's where I think the best opportunity, this long here. So that's on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin under this video, in the description and the pinned comment, where is it? Down below under the video, go down below, hit this thumbs up button if you're learning from me, turn on this bell notification to be notified of all videos, and sign up to Bybit using this link. You can get $30,000 worth of bonuses, and Bybit has a promotion right now as well. Deposit $100 and receive $1,060. Bybit, one of the world's leading, it's the second biggest exchange. Deposit $100 until May 31st and receive a whopping $1,060 in total. $20 cash, $40 in reward, and a $1,000 free trading position on Bybit. That link is down below in the description. This was in the Magicraft Telegram. There's people talking together, and there was someone, Joker777, didn't accept the game invitation, and the lobby failed to launch. And people asked him to kick all these people 15 days without rewards, block their wallets. Our developers are working on a fix now where anyone that plays Magicraft doesn't activate a lobby, and because of that unactivation, the game doesn't start. They'll be kicked, and they will have like some penalties, like either lose MCRT or have a 24-hour ban, or the developers are implementing some fixes to this. What we're also implementing is the games will automatically start, and any people that haven't clicked ready will be automatically kicked, and a bot will take over their place, and the game will start regardless, which is very cool, all through smart contracts as well. Also, someone asked, can I just buy one of these to start? Yes, you can buy one of the MCRT, the Magicraft NFTs. Some people are selling $40. You can buy it in MCRT. And then if you buy one of these NFTs, you can either use an NFT or 100,000 MCRT. Yes, you can join the VIP lobby with any Magicraft NFT or 100,000 MCRT. Free lobbies for everyone to play to earn, which is beautiful. Now let's go into Ethereum. I'll quickly do Ethereum trades. MCRT up a little bit. The market a little bit green today. SMR up 4%, which is beautiful. FXS 2%. IDX 2%. These are the three tokens that I still hold. I hold about $40,000 worth of FXS, but I've started to buy more and more of it. I'm going to ladder back into FXS at good buys. I've got a lot of buy orders set. Let's go into Ethereum 1805. Let's see how my long on Ethereum or my trade on Ethereum played out. I had a long on Ethereum. It didn't activate yet. This is the bigger long that I have. And I'm still seeing this kind of head and shoulders formation. Head, shoulder, head, Ethereum. But at that support at 1693, there's a big support line. But again, we had this hammer candle on Ethereum as well. Everyone see this hammer candle? That's a reversal candlestick pattern. So it shows that it's actually holding strongly here. But I still think it's coming down to 1693. But on the daily, it's oversold. 4 hourly overbought. Hourly oversold. 15-minute oversold with volume picking up. On the shorter term, on the 15-minute, this kind of looks like an inverse head and shoulders. But it failed. It failed and came back down. On the 1 hourly, it's looking like a bear flag on Ethereum on the hourly candles. This looks like a bear flag. I'll show you what I mean. This is a bear flag pattern. Bearish pattern. Bearish continuation pattern. So it works usually like this and breaks down. So long term, this is the bigger trade on Ethereum. Risking 10 ratio, $54 to make $587, 34% with no leverage, with 10x leverage, 340%. That's a trade I would open on Ethereum, 1693, stop loss 1641, take profit 2281. But short term, could open a short here with this small kind of rising triangle, bearish pattern, or bear flag. Why it's bear flag? Because you have the pole. If you measure out a bear flag, it's this whole pole distance. So this distance here can be the breakdown. So it could be a bigger one. But my target is 1695. But short term can short here on Ethereum. But again, tight stop losses. You could short from here on Ethereum. Stop loss just above in case it fails, and take profit at the target. 8.5 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $6.90 to make $59 or 3%. 10x leverage 30%, 100x leverage 300%. I'm going to take this short-term short. So 1804, stop loss 1812. So I'm going to open a short on Ethereum. My Bitcoin short hit the stop loss earlier, which is okay. That's why I have these shorter-term time frames. The bigger trades with them are these ones. These are the ones that I'm actually setting up for big trades. These ones are very short term with very tight stop losses. Either the trade works or it hits my stop loss. Either I lose like $100 or $200 or I make thousands of dollars. That's my goal on these trades. So this is the trade I will take on Ethereum, opening at 1805 short. So I'm going to short Ethereum. I'm going to do 20x leverage on this. I'm going to short Ethereum 1805. I'm going to do $1,000 trade. Take short, so I'm going to take profit at 1753, the green one, 1753. I'm opening this on Bybit, so profit will be $604, and my stop loss is at 1819. Very tight stop loss, 1819. So I'm risking $162 to make $604. Confirm, open short. It will open at 1805, very close to where we are right now. 11 Ethereum, $900 usage, $20,000 of value. Confirm. That trade is now set on Ethereum, and it will short at 1805, which is beautiful. Again, you can trade on Bybit using this link. In the description, go down below, sign up to Bybit. Also, if you don't want to do KYC, or if you're from a country that's not letting you, you're having problems, you can click on Home on Bybit, and then you can click on More, and then you can click on Apex, and you can use the decentralized exchange. Bybit has a decentralized exchange, and you can fund it from your Bybit account. So you can fund it from your Bybit account. So like you can move money across from Bybit onto your decentralized exchange. And why decentralized exchanges are powerful? No one controls them. It's on the blockchain directly, which is a very cool thing. Again, the link down below to the Bybit, and you can take the crypto mastercourse if you want to learn how to trade. Make sure you've taken the course jamescryptoguru.com and understand everything that I'm doing here, and join the free Telegram. There's 8,500 of you discussing in that Telegram, and join the Magicraft Telegram as well. There's 34,000 of you right now. 1,100 are all online, all playing together, discussing the games and everything, and yelling at people that failed to launch the lobby. But again, we will be implementing fixes, which is the devs are constantly working, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. This was a long video. Have an amazing day. Hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. Hope you're having a beautiful weekend. Look how beautiful this place. And look, you can still see in the water. Amazing. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.